What did we learn today? Well, I try to have, from my point of view, some of these words. The first one was during the first presentation, the open manufacturing campus concept. I could ask the question again, who likes that concept? Probably, again, still one person, but anyway, we will continue with that thing because it will be implemented, and I think there are some nice issues, shared capacity, all these kind of things, so we can think about this thing. Second is reuse of existing assets. I mean, flexibility will become important. I think it will not be flexibility in only software, but really for small companies, I think also in the hardware, that research on reconfigurable machine tools is quite active nowadays. How to plug in new machine tools, thinking about interfaces. So we have heard something about that, but I think it becomes more and more important. I have seen probably that this is probably for the big companies, but I believe that small companies are already acting in that way. They have to change all the time in their production. So therefore I wrote for myself, do SMEs that are ready for a long time or not, so with a question mark. Third one is the central control room. We heard it from Philips. I think also more and more control of production lines instead of production machines. So this idea, so overall supervision. A fourth one was from the comedian, driverless robots and cars. I think the idea is that autonomous machines, machine tools and production systems will become more intelligent. There will be more algorithms on board of machine tools that they can take decisions. Whether this will talk to central computing, I don't know. We in Leuven, we are working on those holonic manufacturing systems. Means that every machine tool production system will work on its own and will talk to another machine tool, and then globally they will take decisions. I just put for myself, will become our companies driverless? Probably not. I hope not, because one of the transformations we have to do, that was said at the beginning, that the human still plays an important role in our companies anyway for the future. Probably they will have to act differently, but at least the human will be there. And as a last, manufacturing is worldwide, it's becoming quite complex, and we have to deal with this complexity. So there will be a need for right software to support that, right organizational structures, as we have heard it in the last presentation, and perhaps there are many more things you have heard today. I put it with the dots, but from my point of view, I tried to make some highlights.